Back. Touchdown! Nasaan tayo, mami?
Hi, and China, Shanghai.
Saan, saan, saan?
I want to tell you, Shanghai is the most progressive city in China.
So, we are here in Nanjing Road. Oh, tara. Pagpapark tayo muna, Kuya Mike. Dali na! Picture muna! Ay, ganun, no? Picture.
Yan na, Pop-Mart.
Shopping tayo, guys. Malamig siya actually. Cloudy right now. Hindi siya mainit. Daming tao. Rock your body. We'll go inside Pop Mart. 走都找不着。Hi! So, right now, it's 6:17 p.m. Magdi-dinner na kami in Puchang. I'm not sure if it's a correct, tama ba yung pagka-pronounce ko, but sabi daw ng tourist guide namin kay ito daw yung oldest restaurant. This is the second day. Hindi na ako naka-room tour kaya medyo makalat na right now ang room. But kasama ko right now ang mother ko pero nagbaba na sila. And ang weather today, it's very... Klaro ba? Sana klaro. Sorry if very medyo wiggly yung camera, guys. Ang weather today it's very gloomy. Cloudy pala siya. Gaulan right now. And ang pupuntahan namin somewhere in the temple. Dito tayo kay... Ang dilim ang room. Hindi maganda ang lighting except sa CR. Diyan ako nag-makeup. But, dito tayo maganda. Dito ba? Actually, hindi pa ako tapos. Nag-stop lang ako para maka-video. Para patuloy-tuloy na ako. Kaya afterwards, later ata, hindi ako maka-intro. So, na yun, nag-intro na lang ako. And, I'll keep you updated kung saan kami mapunta right now. Like today, ano yung agenda namin today. But for now, naka-check-in na kami. Hindi na ako masyado naka-video yesterday kay medyo gubot masyado and madami ng tao and like gusto ko muna i-enjoy yung first day ko doon. Fit check. So, mag-all white ako today. Skirt. Mag-sapatos lang ako later on. It's not that wow. It's just simple.
Let's rain again. Hallelujah.
So, we are in the Bund kung saan may kung makita yung mga views. And then, we are going back sa bus, which is malayo konti, kaya kailangan namin lakaran. Sama namin yung mga kababayan namin. On the road. Sorry if medyo... Wait lang! Medyo wiggly or very... yung camera. Pero the struggle is real. Literally, yung ulan is not in our favor. Back to the bus. Yun yung view nag-picture namin a while ago. So, we are here in, anong tawag nito? SC Plaza. Which is Marketplace. Marketplace. Sa Marketplace kami.
Imitation place.
Imitation Place. Imitation Marketplace daw. Yung sabi ng, ano namin, tour guide. You know what? Wala akong mabili dito. Ngayon, nag-isip-isip na ako. Hi, this is day 3 and for today, sorry if lighting is a bit weird. So today, we're going to Disneyland and the weather right now is currently raining. So hopefully when we go there, it won't be English. Sana kung punta kami doon, hindi ganun ka-rainy masyado. Kaya sayang yung outfit natin. This is my outfit. Nag-dress ako long sleeve from Bingo. This is from TikTok. No, not TikTok, Shopee. And the skirt, sport. Kaya, no. I don't know. Saan ko bibili, mommy? Gift from my mom. I don't remember where she bought it. But, ang atake natin right now, kami parang school girl na outfit. So right now, nagawa na ito. Pero parang nagamay ka pa lang ako. Kahit kami nag-train, like even though it took us an hour to figure out how. Well, ang transportation doon, it was easy to do. Dami akong dinadala. Go! Right now, we are inside the drone. Wow! Wow! Look up lagi. Next stop. Meet the Stitch. Meet the Stitch. We will meet the Stitch. Dala na ako bitbit. Galing.
多印个新照片，要拼合我们在最亮眼，远蓝的银河为你装点。
我偏偏为你，我就想要写一首歌，伴奏和风雪，想要你能让情
Aloha!
我的副驾驶。
看我走，看法我走，看法我走。你在哪儿喽？
我们在新界东西奇观茶室。
我看看。
不小心走过，失落一瞬间浓墨，收起了漫不中，你可爱的中午，我的收获，有人为天，爱的是甜的堕落。
让人说对不起，姑娘只是不理，身边不是目击者的你爱周身无期。
哇！ Dilim. Hi! So right now, we are in Winnie the Pooh. We're in Winnie the Pooh area.
收起了满不说，你可爱的酒窝，我的收获有点微甜，太多碎片别丢落。你走近听我说，认真带一点幽默，心发不小心走火，碎落一瞬间no more。说起了满不说，装的我的心脏你的过，有点微甜。
一天在满目森林。
So, nag-stop by kami sa, ano nga tawag nitong, snack area? Winnie the Pooh, basta yung snack area. And then, this one, it's the dragon, tail something. Ano nga pangalan nito, Kuya Mike? That's the dragon, tiger tail, barbecue, pork, with pineapple sandwich. Guess the price. Guess the price. 68 yan? Nakala ko 79.
21 yun eh.
78. Yan, 78 yan. You won.
Ang akin, 78.
Yan sa'yo, 68. Oh, yan kayo, 68.
Minus 77 lang. So, magkano ga? Yan? 350.
78.
700
Kay
lang.
nasa kung 69 or ano 700, mga 700 or 800 plus siya. So mag-taste test ako.
Yung bata yung sarap ng nilakain niya. Yung nakapula. Yung parang chicken turkey doon ako. Yung chicken turkey na paa. Parang yung drumstick. Yung ata ginanap ni mami.
Regular.
Hindi ko alam kung nabili
Anong
niya.
i-rate mo nito kuya over 10? Anong i-rate mo siya?
Ati.
3? Akin,
Hulaan mo magkano total gastos na.
5.
Pesos.
5 over 10. Okay lang. For its, I mean, it's not okay for its price.
Hindi talaga.
So right now, we are in Zootopia! Zootopia land! Wow! It's so pretty! Wow! So we are in Zootopia Hot Pursuit. Nagkuha kami ng 1 per pass. Nagkuha kami ng 1 per pass. Kaya at least ito. Ay, nakikita. Asan siya ito? I feel like, mga tawag na. I feel like, kid.
他的两个头目，他们逃走时都穿着橙色球衣。虽然他们都是毛茸茸的，但是他们。
Ay, gaga. Tulbaan ko. Wow.
专业。
快上缆车！
Thai. Nasa Treasure Cove kami. Hindi ko alam kung anong land dito. Basta, nasa Treasure Cove kami right now. Daming tao. Currently, madaming tao. Literally. Pero that's fine. We're starting. So we are done. Ano pala yun siya? Treasure Cove. Ano pala yun siya? The Pirates Caribbean. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pag-pronounce ko. Pero yun. Like same lang siya sa Zootopia na gisakyan namin. Yung parang ganun na type of ride. And then, galipot-lipot muna kami. And then, we're going to go to our next ride. Right now, we're going inside sa Eye of the Show. No, hindi siya Eye of the Show. Forgot anong name nun. Basta show siya na 4:30 mag-ano. But currently we are 4 minutes late. Kaya nagkamadali kami pala. But at least may 1 hour rin kami may 1 hour rin kami upo para makapahingayin, mag-watch lang.
是在翻蛋个剧院，很荣幸各位能观看我们的加勒比剧团作品。哈哈！有没有想过做海盗？
Okay, we are done sa Eye of the Storm ng theater. It was nice. It was good actually.
Ang
Even
pangalan
though
lang yung one, Theater Group.
ang good.
Doon sa pangalan mismo ng stage.
Ay, Fundango. Fundango yung group nila. And yung yung play was Eye of the Storm. Maganda siya. Even though hindi namin masyadong maintindihan. Hindi talaga namin maintindihan. Pero yung some words, some like known kay maintindihan namin. So next up is yung pangalan nun? Rapid Rapid Dito kami kanina Camp Discovery or like parang Adventure League of Adventures or Adventure Isle. Adventure Isle. Hindi kami maka-video doon masyado. Kaya, yun na nga. Kailangan namin nilagay yung cellphones, lahat ng mga things namin sa locker. Oh, ka-pretty nun. Guys, mapunta kami sa Roaring Rapids. Yung name ng ride. And mabasa kami. Dito sa ride na to, mababasa kami. So, hindi ko ata kayo ma-bring or hindi ko ma-bring yung phone ko para mag-video. Kaya, yun. Wala na, hindi ko na makita. I can't see Grumpy. Then si Doc. And Ano na video? Look! Yun lang? We are done sa ride ng mine train. And okay lang. It was fun. Sorry kung weekly yung pag-video. And ngayon, maghintay na lang kami for the fireworks later. And then after that, uwi na kami. Balik ulit sa hotel. And voila, done.